Hello everyone, my name is Arishi Mehra. Welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today's video is all about things stylish women should never do, these things they should never wear. So yes, today's video is all about that, and without wasting any more time, let's get started. Okay, so the first one is pants with words on your butt. And I think that it's not fashionable. I think that it's not amazing. I feel that it's not cool. It's not good. It in fact looks bad. I mean, it's just my opinion. But yes, I don't feel that it looks really nice. And I mean, I have seen a lot of people wearing something like that. A lot of people wearing juicy, yeah. So I mean, I don't understand that fashion. I don't understand why it was designed that way. And some people may like it, obviously if they're wearing it they like it, but I don't understand that. I have never wore anything like that in my life, and I don't think I ever will, because I don't understand that fashion. And okay, so yeah, that was it. I mean, pants with words at your butt, it looks really ajeeb. It doesn't look nice. And yeah. Okay, so the second one is wearing anything too revealing. Okay, so wearing something that is too revealing, like showing a lot of skin, or not showing any skin at all, it's not a balance in either. I mean, there's a balance, you know, in how much skin you want to show, in how much skin it's, you know, if it looks good or not. Showing a lot of skin doesn't look good either, and not showing any skin at all doesn't look good. So both the things don't look good. There has to be a balance. And yes, so wearing anything that is too revealing is not good. I mean, some people think that it's, you know, they will look hot or they will look very sexy if they wear something like that. Maybe they will, but I feel that wearing something very too revealing is not so cool. I mean, yeah, it's just my opinion, but I don't like clothes like that are open from everywhere almost everywhere. And yes, I don't understand that fashion. I don't understand those clothes, so I never even look at them, because it's not my thing. It's actually not my thing. And yes, so for me, stylish women should never wear the clothes that are too revealing. Yeah. Okay, so the next one is Crocs. I hate Crocs. I mean, what is that? I mean, people wear it like, I mean, I don't understand that. Crocs is, there was a time when everybody was wearing Crocs. In fact, I also did. I was a kid. I also did. But yes, now I will never wear Crocs. I hate Crocs. I don't understand कि वो कॉन्सेप्ट क्या है, वो क्या है, मतलब आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड. इट्स ऑल प्लास्टिक. It's not good. I mean, I don't know why it was invented. I don't know, but yeah, it's not cool. It doesn't look good, and it's not fashionable, you know. It's not fashionable. So I don't think that any women who is you know, stylish women should wear Crocs. I don't think that. And yeah, so maybe a lot of you like Crocs and you wear them, and it's absolutely okay. So yeah, it's just my opinion. Okay, so the next one is too much makeup. Too much makeup is I think it shouldn't be worn by anybody. Too much makeup is, I mean, brides ke liye it's okay. Brides ke liye it's really good, but too much is bad for everything, right? So yes, wearing a lot of makeup doesn't make you look any good. It makes you look bad. So do a, you know, balanced amount of makeup. Do if you love makeup, or if you don't, you're just applying makeup like me. I don't love makeup, but I apply makeup because it's okay, it's good, it makes me feel confident, more confident. It's not that I'm not confident with my own skin. I am super confident in however I look without makeup. And but I just apply makeup in, while shooting, while filming. Otherwise, if I go out, I don't apply a lot of makeup. I don't apply makeup while going out with my friends, or with my family. It's I keep it very, very simple. I just apply eyeliner, and अगर लिपस्टिक लगानी है तो, नहीं तो I avoid lipstick also. So yes, I don't do a lot of makeup, but yes, I avoid, I don't love makeup, so it's okay, and I'm very, very comfortable in my own skin, so I don't really care being without makeup. So yes, doing a lot of makeup doesn't make you look any good, so I think that this is one of the things that stylish women should never do. Okay, so the last thing is anything that others tell you to do. Even my opinion doesn't matter. This is my opinion, this is my personal style. If anybody asks you to do this, to do that, to wear this, to wear that, then it's their opinion. Wear whatever you like. If you want to wear these things that I just listed, then it's okay. It's your personal style, and it's your fashion. It's, your wardrobe. You can wear anything you want, anything you like. Not what others tells you, not what I tell you. I know my channel is all about what looks good, what looks bad, and everything, but at the end it all depends what you like, what is your opinion on anything and everything. So yes, anything you want to wear is good, and yes. So that's it for the video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this was helpful, and if you have any suggestions about what videos should I make, then do let me know in the comment section below. And thank you so much for watching. You know the drill. Like, share, comment, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. And do follow me on my Instagram. I post some really different content over there, so yeah, go and follow. See you. Bye.